Hello everyone, my name is Talha Imran and welcome back to another video. So I just created this Tic Tac Toe game implemented using minimax algorithm. So if you want this project, just comment below your emails and I will be providing you this project. So let's see how this game works. You can see I choose this spot and AI goes here, and AI will always go for the optimal move. Let's see. You can see AI blocked my win here. I think AI won. Yes, AI won. So now you can also, this is your scoreboard, and you can reset these numbers, and you can also restart the game. As you can see, game will restart. So that's it. If you want this project, just comment below your emails and I will provide you this project. Thank you.